Okay, let's take a listen at this pinion gear. Let's take a look at the oil that was removed from the rear end. There's approximately 50,000 miles of usage on this oil. Total rear end usage is about 210,000 miles. There was no metal in the oil, even on this plug right here. There was nothing on the magnet. Just a little, nothing. The two axles in the rear end differential removed, the left and the right axle. We're now going to take the differential limited slip carrier out of its housing and the pinion gear to inspect the bearing. So what has been done there is the two bolts has been fully released, and they were used for like a prying tool for just breaking the cap free from its fitted location. So that's what the bolt looked like. That's what the caps look like. But it's a good idea to remember which side you remove, always. Now when you pull this carrier out, you might have some shims on the side. You have to remember the placement of the shim. You see there's one here, and actually there's another one on the other side. So you see this is two here. So what we're going to do is it's just best to leave the shim in their location for now. And we can replace the cap. So here's a good idea. You look at the impression of the cap against its mating surface, and you will have a pretty good idea of how it's fitted back into position. If not, get a camera, take a picture of everything that you're doing, and then you can reference with the picture. So when you look at the impression of this here, it has a curve at the end here, and then it has a curve out there. After removing that differential carrier, the pinion shaft gear, this right here, is nearly stuck. There it is. But there is, you hear that? A play in it that's causing that grinding against the ring gear and the pinion gear. It's not so much coming from the bearing. The bearing is running smooth. It's just there's a back and forth lash, most likely on the bearing. So to get in there, I have to remove this seal. The seal has a lip on it that drags against the yoke that is bolted to it. This is to prevent water from getting in the differential. If you see, when this seal becomes worn out and start leaking, it's not only going to leak oil out when you go into puddle and water gets around here, moisture, it's going to get in there, it's going to affect the bearing, it's going to contaminate the oil. So if you see oil out here from the differential on the outside, that's a sign to change the seal immediately. Don't wait. If you do, the bearing, it's going to go bad like we have here right now. It will be best to place that nut back onto the pinion shaft and then placing a piece of block wood, maybe like a 2x4, against that nut and smack it with a ball peen hammer. Then it'll be able to free itself. So it still has to get striked some more.